Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into an incredible diagnostic tool that's revolutionizing eye examinations, the Optitech Slitlamp Carlos 3. If you're serious about precision ophthalmology, you need to see this. The Carlos 3 isn't just any slit lamp. It's a complete diagnostic workstation packed with advanced features. Let me walk you through why this is a game changer for your practice. First, the Magnification system is incredible. It features a 3-step revolving drum-type turret changer with multiple objectives, 1x, 1.6x, and 2.5x, combined with extra-wide field, high eye point, 12.5x eyepieces. This gives you total magnification options of 10x, 16x, and 25x. That's 3 different precision levels for everything from routine exams to detailed anterior segment analysis. Now let's talk about the optical excellence. The Galilean binocular observation tube head has perfect prism collimation and centering. The interpupillary distance adjusts from 55 to 75 millimeters, and there's helical dioptric correction from -5 to +5 diopters. Every prism and optic is blue-coated and antifungal treated for lasting clarity and performance. The Illumination and Slit system is where the Carlos 3 truly shines. You get continuously adjustable slit width from 0 to 14 millimeters with multiple aperture settings including 0.2 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 12 millimeters, and wedge-shaped diaphragm. The slit rotates a full 180 degrees, and the illumination tilts up to 20 degrees for perfect angled lighting. But wait, there's more. You get a comprehensive filter set including red-free, cobalt blue, heat absorption, yellow, and green filters. The standard 12V 20-watt halogen bulb provides brilliant illumination, but here's the exciting part. You can upgrade to optional LED illumination for even better performance and energy efficiency. The Carlos 3 comes complete with all essential accessories: dust cover, testing rod, breath shield, spare halogen bulb, Hruby lens, and slit reflection mirror. Plus, it's packed in export-worthy, jerk-free styrofoam packaging with 7-ply corrugation box for maximum protection. And we haven't even talked about the optional accessories. You can add an imported motorized table, applanation tonometer, beam splitter with C-mount for live photography, HD camera systems with recording, eyepiece mobile camera attachment, assistant observation tube, and ergonomic tiltable head attachment. Every Carlos 3 is backed by a solid 1-year manufacturing warranty and comes from Tarun Enterprises, an ISO 13485 2016 certified company, so you know you're getting quality you can trust. Whether you're performing comprehensive anterior segment examinations, detailed corneal analysis, precise foreign body detection, advanced contact lens fitting, cataract evaluations, or routine glaucoma screening, the Carlos 3 delivers hospital-grade precision for every procedure. Ready to transform your diagnostic capabilities with the Optitech Slitlamp Carlos 3? Here's exactly how to get yours. Visit our website, www.optitecheyecare.com. Email us directly at info@optitecheyecare.com. Call or WhatsApp us at +91 8176 080204. Reach out today for live demonstrations, detailed pricing, and technical specifications. Don't forget to like this video if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more medical equipment insights. Until next time, keep providing the best care for your patients.